Hello, Darin Martineau from Team Freedom Funnel. In this video, I'm going to answer a question from a beginner marketer. Here's the question. He says, I'm getting leads, but why aren't uh, they buying from me? So the answer is very simple. Not all leads are created equal. My best leads come from my content, like this YouTube channel and my website, my blog, etc. When someone watches my YouTube training, um, then hits my website and joins my list, that lead is pure gold. They've already gotten value from me. Um, they've watched my training. They went looking for a place to enter their email and get on my list. Um, I've built know, like, and trust with them factor. And what happens is they opt in. And these are called warm leads or hot leads. And these leads buy a lot and they buy more consistently. They buy a lot. Compared to that, someone who just opts in from a random ad or something like that. They barely even know me. I haven't built trust in them yet. They're way less likely to buy anything from me. Here's the bottom line. So leads who find you through your content are already warmed up. So they're called warm leads, okay? They trust you. They want to buy what you offer. That's the magic of what you're going to get your hands on with the new Team Freedom funnel, okay? Um, People will be finding you through your world-class content better than what most experts can produce. And I take 100 content-driven leads over 500 ad-driven leads any day. Okay, and what is the best part? You can scale this up. You can flood your blog or your website or any of the many free platforms that I recommend in my exclusive bonus. I'm going to give you my Team Freedom Traffic Rolodex. Um, you'll pull ready to buy leads and be amazed at the money you make because the quality of your leads is so much better. So click the link, put in your email, and I'll give you access to the Team Freedom Funnel now, where you'll get access on how to make money online and how to get more leads and sales for your business. So subscribe to the channel, click on the link, put in your email, and I'll see you on the inside of Team Freedom.